Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here, demonstrating one of our electric choke conversion kits. This particular one works on the 71-72 Pontiac 350 400s, and this converts the hot air choke, or should I say the divorce choke. This is the thermostat that's mounted in the intake manifold, and those you can't get anymore, but you can use this kit to convert it to an electric choke. Comes with all the parts that you need, including the wire and a good instruction sheet to install it. So you can find this and other electric conversion kits on our website, mikescarb.com. Thank you.